Okay, guys, I'm going to show you how to do superscripts and subscripts on Google Docs. So the first one we're going to do is the magnesium ion. Ion means it has a charge. The symbol for magnesium is Mg. Make sure the second letter is always lowercase and the first one is capitalized. And if you look at your periodic table, magnesium is in group 2. At the top of group 2, it should say +2. That's because all group 2 metals form +2 ions. So now I'm going to highlight the +2. I'm going to go up to Format, Text, and click Superscript. And that is how you write ions. The charges should be superscripts. Okay, so for the oxide ion, the symbol for oxygen is O, which is a capital O. And if you look above group 16, you should have written -2. Okay, so I highlight that, format, text, superscript. And that's how you do the oxide ion or any other ion. Make sure your charges are superscripts. Okay, so a lot of you guys are turning in your chemical formulas, but you're not making your numbers as subscripts. For example, aluminum oxide. Well, the aluminum ion, of course, is a +3 because you have that written on your periodic table. Sometimes it slips. There we go. And the oxide ion, well, we've got one right here. I can just copy this one and put this one right here. There's my oxide ion. Now I'm going to crisscross that. 2 comes down there for the aluminum, and the 3 comes down there for the oxygen over here. Now, if I continue typing, you can see I am still in superscript. So if I go to Format, Text, Superscript, this will turn superscript off. Now I'm back to typing normal. So I'd put Al2O3. Now this is how a lot of you guys are turning in your formulas. The numbers are correct, but they need to be subscripts. So I highlight it, format, text, and subscript. Highlight, format, text, subscript. And there you go. There's the correct formula for aluminum oxide. Calcium phosphate, the calcium ion is a +2 ion. Watch what I can do here. I can copy this magnesium. Maybe I can. I can copy this magnesium ion here and go down here called V. Now I just need to change that Mg to Ca. And I've already got my +2 on there. Awesome. Now I need a PO4. Watch what I can do here. I can take this right here and copy it and paste it. And I want to change this to a P, and I can change this to a 4. There's my phosphate. Now I need my charge on there. That's of course going to be -3. Oh, I need that to be a superscript. And so I can go up here, format, text, superscript, and there. I've got that written like that. Now let's say I want to make the formula from that. I just copy this whole mess right here and paste it here. I'm going to take that 3 and I'm going to cut it. And I'm going to put it here. And I'm going to get rid of the minus sign. Trying to. There. Now I'll make that 3 a subscript. And I can do the same for my 2 here. Rid of the plus sign. Cut. I'll put that 2 over here. Wait, I gotta paste first. Wrong place. So it's gonna go over here. I don't know what I just did there. There, finally. I need that to be a subscript. But also, my phosphate needs to be in parentheses. So I need to unsubscript that. And put a parentheses there. I need a parentheses there, but I need to unsubscript that. And this guy needs to be a subscript. And there, that is the correct formula for calcium phosphate. Okay. Okay, email me if you have any questions.